Looking to grow your business with inspirational graphics that you see all over the internet? We've got a collection of 130 poster graphics and some handy extras to help you build your traffic, grow your list, and have instant products for sale. I'm Alice Seba, and on behalf of Yusuf and myself at eKitHub, I'd like to give you a quick tour of this product and to provide you with 11 ideas for using this content to grow your business. Plus, when you grab this package now, we'll include an expanded and downloadable tutorial of these 11 ideas to help you get a head start in making this content work for you. So first up, let's talk about what's in this done-for-you inspirational poster graphic package for you. What we've done is put together 130 of our most popular poster graphics and put them into one handy package for you. They're fully editable and brandable and available for commercial use. Plus, we've included some handy extras, including 10 bonus inspirational graphics. These are also fully editable, and they come in PSD, PNG, and PDF format. So you can edit the PSDs using Photoshop, but don't want to invest in Photoshop. You can also use the free GIMP or Photopea editors, and you'll have great editing capabilities. They're also in PDF format, which means you can upload to Canva and do some, basic edits there, add your branding and things like that, or use Adobe Acrobat to make edits as well. And then to make it easier to create your own library of inspirational graphics for a long time to come, we've added 365 days of inspiration plus templates bonus. It's a handy bonus that includes 122 inspirational quotes that we've collected for you, 122 motivational questions, and 122 motivational and inspirational tips. So actually that's 366 days. Plus, we've also included 5 PowerPoint templates that you can work with to create your own designs. So you have another editing possibility in using PowerPoint, which is a great graphics editor, which gives you lots of control over your design. Now, what are you going to do with all this content? Here are 11 super quick ideas for you. Now, I already mentioned that we'll run through these quickly here, but when you do download your package, you'll get an expanded and downloadable version of this tutorial that explores the 11 ideas further and also includes 7 ways, strategic ways to make sure not only are you publishing this content, that it's growing your business as well. You can create wall art, print on demand, so you only pay when you make a sale that is shipped directly to your customer. You can keep the posters in digital format and help your customers download printable wall art. You can also create other print-on-demand merchandise like t-shirts, hats, mugs, magnets, and so forth. Now, if you don't want to create products like that, there's still lots of other possibilities with this content. You can create social media posts from them, and our tutorial includes lots of great examples for you. You can put them into your social media stories or create reels from them. You can add them to your books, reports, and more. You can use them as writing or speaking prompts. Or what about using them as journal covers or planner dashboards? You can give them away as a free printable download to grow your list, and you can turn them into coloring pages. We even have a detailed tutorial on doing this with the free GIMP editor. So if you don't have Photoshop, no problem. We'll show you how to do that. You can also add them to presentations, your videos, and classes. No worries if you have any questions or want to brainstorm about any of these ideas. We do have our eKitHub group, and you can find that on your download page, so we're always available to help you. If that sounds great, click the Add to Cart button below, or feel free to keep reading to get more information, but don't take too long because this special pricing is available for a short time only.